Hello everyone, I will demonstrate how to download Altium Designer and sign in and use your Altium license. So first search for Altium downloads. Click on this link, Altium downloads. Then over here, click on download. In this block, you will have to mention email address associated to your Altium Designer license and your password. If in case you do not have a license, then you can apply for student license. Search for Altium Education. Click on this link, Altium Education. You will have to fill out this form mentioning your name, institute email address, institute name and country. While filling your institute email address, if in case you face this error, then click on Contact Us. Fill out this form. In this block, you will have to mention that you're a student and you need access to Altium Designer. Also mention the purpose for which you are going to use this software. Submit this form. After few hours, you will receive a mail in which they will ask you to submit your student card and your current semester enrollment letter. So after submitting these documents, you will receive your student license information. You will have to first activate your Altium Live account. To download this software, click on this link. Here, mention the email address associated to your Altium Designer license. Click on Online Installer. After downloading the installer, open the file. Click on Next. Accept the agreement. Next. As I have already installed this software, I am getting these options. But if you are installing it for the first time, then select Design Functionality, Destination Folder, Ready to Install. All these windows pop up. So keep on clicking Next and finally click on Install. After completing the installation, open Altium Designer. Click on Sign In. Enter your email address and your password. If in case you haven't activated your Altium Live account yet, then click on Register an account. Enter your email address and click on Register. You will receive a verification email. Click on Verify email and then you will have to enter your email address, name and other information, and you will be able to access the Altium Live account. Click on Sign In. Information about your Altium Designer license is given over here. Click on Use. Now you can use all the features of Altium Designer.